We're taking a look at the 100K portfolio. It's an extension of the 9 system portfolio. The 9 system portfolio now has 11 systems, and this adds 11 more. And so you can see here there's 22 windows. We won't go over all these. We highlighted yesterday the bonds and gold. Here's some of the highlights that brought us to an equity peak recently. Cobra bonds actually had a loss here, and we're taking a look at um, stock index swing. We had a losing trade on the last trade. Very strong market. It's hard to short. Really interesting how this market just goes straight up. Tick count trend grabbed a little bit of a profit. This is the money management algorithm version, and so DAX Cobra had a nice trade. Money management version. This is part of the portfolio. And you've also got DAX Night Trader had a nice trade. And so these are some of the trades, recent trades that have taken us to an equity peak. And taking a look at the portfolio calculator for this, we released this in mid-May, and it was up about 4,500 in mid-May. Ended up the month up only 3,300, and then we're back up this month so far in the first 4 trading days, 24, 46, 47. Hypothetical results based on 25 round turn slippage and commission, and we're at an equity peak, and so it's called some nice moves lately. It's a tough market environment to trade, and so I'm happy to have something that calls some good trades. You can trade this with less than 100K. It says account size required 72K, but DAX Night Trader, it gets out before DAX Cobra would trade, and so you can reduce that by the day trade margin of about 6,000. So you can trade that with about 65,000 dollars. You don't need the full 100K, and so it's a 100K portfolio, but you can trade it with 65K. And worst case drawdown 780187. Taking a look at the drawdown curve. Here are the results. This is a nice mix of counter trend strategies. You've got counter trend gold, you've got counter trend Australian dollar, yen, Canadian dollar. So you get some more markets. In there we've got counter trend crude oil. It's you have the 9 system portfolio with the money management algorithms, except for crude oil. You get the basic crude oil system with the $800 profit target, and you've got Euro Surge at the profit target. And then you've got some ES swing, swing day trade, gap fill rank, gap fill fade, gap continue to be, and you got soybeans day trade 3, Cobra bonds. You've got 2 DAX strategies to give us some extra energy to this portfolio because those markets really move well. And that's the update on the 100K portfolio and how it's at an equity peak. Is highly recommend this portfolio if you're looking for a portfolio. 9 system is great too. It's up a little bit on the year, and tough markets, so we'll take anything that's up right now.